This next creature is known to me. No, this next creature is named Diplocaulus. This creature has been on my how to draw list for a bit of a while. I've been observing and planning to draw this creature for, let's say, a few weeks, perhaps. I just needed the plans for when and where I was gonna draw this guy. Much like the other animals I drew in the past, this one locates back before the dinosaurs. I think it was during the time when amphibians ruled on Earth. And, well, there were lots of amphibians who ruled back then, long before the Permian exhibition. I think most of them were Hymerbaton, Limnoscelius, and I think Ophiocodon. Remember I drew that one? That was a good one. I'm proud that I drew that one. That's what this show is about. Teaching those to draw great beings and sweet, positive, well, basically it's about to teach those who are in need of service. Everything I draw dates back to the coronavirus epidemic. I consider that to be a big issue here. I draw this for those who have the coronavirus and for those who wish to be free from its curse. And trust me, I've been there. I've felt your pain. For all those who have who are afraid of coronavirus, I promise, this one goes out to every hospital who are doing their best to cure those who have this disease. If you guys have any issues on how coronavirus started, there's a Netflix show for that. All I have to do is type in coronavirus on Netflix, and it'll give you the history on how coronavirus started. And to be honest, I kind of feel like I want to do something about it. Researching the coronavirus is part of my reputation. And, well, it's something that's a big scar in my history, and I do wish to fix that. I know. It's just every video that I draw, it's just, well, every one of them that I do, it goes out to those who are put in the hospital thanks to the coronavirus. And I show them to those who are infected with it. And I just want those to feel better. I just want those who have it feel better soon. And these videos are a dedication to that. For those to feel free from the coronavirus. I just want you guys to get well soon. Anyway, that is how you draw a Diploclaulus. Be sure to post a comment on what prehistoric animal you want me to draw next. And I hope you're feeling well soon. Anyway, I'll see you in the next show.